What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark Livo, and this is Remark TV. If you are new in this channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you learn something from this video, please share with your neighbor, share with your friends, so that they can also get the point from it. Today, guys, I shall be talking to you about 2 reasons why people are struggling financially. Many people are struggling financially these days, but they don't know why. But on this episode, I'm going to be giving you 2 reasons why people are struggling financially. Until that, stay tuned. Ciao. Okay, when we talk about financial struggle, you struggling financially, what are we actually talking about? What is the meaning of financial struggle? Struggling financially simply means you are unable to meet up with your basic needs. Struggling financially, I repeat, means you are unable to meet up with your basic needs. For instance, you are hungry, but you are able to get money to get food for yourself. For instance, you are supposed to take 3 square meals a day, but you are unable to do that because you are not financially viable to provide for yourself 3 square meals a day. That is, you are having financial imbalance, you are having financial difficulties. You are unable to meet up with your day-to-day activities because of lack of maybe income from one source or the other. Okay, so today I will be giving you 2 reasons why you are having these difficulties. First, one, putting extended family as your number 1 priority. This is mostly common with the African society. In Africa, for instance, we call them chokchie, but the right name in English is successor. Most successor has these difficulties because once they are considered a successor, the responsibility of the whole family falls on them. And because the responsibility is heavy, they have to find it difficult to even have something for themselves because they are looking after a lot of people. Remember, African family lineage is very long. You have your uncles, your aunties, your uncle's daughter, your uncle's sister. Now, if you put all of this responsibility on you, no matter how big your income is coming, it is ever going to be insufficient because the demand is always going to be too much. The demand is coming from every angle. No matter how much you make, but you find that you are still having financial difficulty because you have put all these things on your number 1 list. Your auntie called from here, I am sick, I have headache, you give money. Your mom, your uncle called from here, you provide. Your uncle's son, provide. Your auntie's daughter, you provide. Now, don't misquote me. I'm not saying that we shouldn't look after our African family, our family members. No, because I myself, I also have family members that I'm taking care of. But you see, you need to have a limit. You need to put yourself, you have to give yourself a limit. Because anything that does not have limit, there is always a disaster. Even a driver, when a driver is running on the highway, there is always speed limit because they know that after this limit, at this point, something disastrous can happen. It's the same thing with you taking care of your family, taking care of your relatives. There are some people which we may call them your immediate family. They should be your number 1 priority. You don't carry everybody on your head because that is going to leave you financially unstable. You are going to always have difficulties in meeting up with your financial activities. You are always going to be in need of money all the time. You are always going to have responsibilities to carry where the money is not there to carry out those responsibilities. Okay, point number 2. This point is mostly you have, those of you watching this video, you must have seen this point on most social media platforms. Okay, having just 1 source of income, it is a very important point as far as your finance is concerned. Most people have just 1 source of income, and that is the main reason. This is the main reason why you will forever have financial challenges all your life. You are always going to be struggling financially. Your finances are going to be imbalanced always, having just 1 source of income. Look at, this is what happens when you have just 1 source of income. That 1 source of income is vulnerable. Anytime anything can happen. Let's assume that you are a businessman, you have a shop, a business shop. And then, what if, let us take for example, your shop is attacked by thieves. Now, that shop is going to have some financial challenges because you are going to lose maybe money or properties which is going to leave you financially unstable. Or on the other hand, what if that shop caught fire just because it is just the only source of income which you have? If the source caught fire, if the shop caught fire, what happens? Your finance is shaking. Financially you are unstable. Anything can happen to just this single source of income. That's why it's not ever advisable. It's never advisable to just rely on one source of income. And talk of growth of responsibility. Okay, when you talk of growth of responsibility, what do I mean? As a young man, you live with your parents. They have been taking care of you ever since you were a child. There will come a point in time whereby you will become independent. You leave the house. You want to become a man of your own. You take your responsibilities as a man. You move into a one-bedroom apartment. Now you have your responsibility have started. Now you are no longer taking care of just yourself. You also have to pay rent. Now the next thing is that as a man, you one day have a girlfriend, and that girlfriend is a responsibility because often she will need money for hair, she will need money for food, she will need money for clothes, she will need money for shoe. That is your responsibility. From a girlfriend, you one day get married to her, the responsibility further increases, and then you one day also have a child. Now having a child means the responsibility have also increased. Maybe you will now want to have a second child and a third, and so on and so forth. That is the meaning of the growth of responsibility, because you know before you became independent, when you became independent, rather you were just alone. You had just one mouth to feed because you get a girlfriend. You have now two mouths to feed. She becomes your wife. You had a kid. You have now three mouths to feed. When you have the second one, you have four mouths to feed. That is how your responsibility is growing. When you have the third child, you have now 5 mouths to feed, including yourself. And remember, at this point in time, you no longer need just a one-bedroom apartment. You'll be needing a 2-bedroom apartment. Your responsibility is growing. If you were using 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 per day as money for food, as feeding money, because of that growth of responsibility, it's no longer going to be enough because the number of people in the house have increased. And then what has happened? The source of income is still stagnant. It's just that one source of income. Because the responsibility is growing and the source of income is stagnant, that is why you are struggling financially. Because let me demonstrate this on a scale. Let's assume that this is a source of the income, the only source of income which you have, and this is you. Then this is the scale. Okay? Before you were alone, you acquire a girlfriend. This is the scale. You acquire a girlfriend, the scale goes down a little. Then she becomes your wife, the scale further moves down. You guys have one child, the scale moves down again. A second child, the scale moves. And the third child, this is how it happens. Now look at the source of income. The source of income has been suspended right up there. It is now fragile. It is hanging. At anything can happen. It can fall and break. Anything can happen. The source of income is just alone. It is not going to be enough to support this weight. So as your responsibilities are growing, it is advisable that you increase your sources of income. You also grow your source of income so that you don't become victim of this financial instability. Okay guys, I hope you did learn something from this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification. Share the video with a friend because some people will want to learn just like you did. Thank you very much for being there. Until ciao.